Hello friends, today I welcome you to my Ayanshi's homemade kitchen. Today we will be making whole wheat choco banana loaf. For this we will be needing 3 cups of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of salt, 4 ripe bananas, uh, 1 cup of oil, then 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and last but not the least, 1.5 cups of milk. Now we will sift all the dry ingredients. First we are going to take whole wheat flour. This is 3 cups of whole wheat flour. Next 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, cinnamon powder, and baking powder. We are going to sift all the dry ingredients. It is up to you if you want to add cinnamon in the loaf. If you don't like cinnamon flavor, you can skip it. Cinnamon is required to balance out the overwhelming smell of ripe bananas. So that is why we are adding in it, but it is up to you. If you want to add it, then it gives a good taste. Now we have added 4 bananas. We will add some sugar, we will add some oil, and milk. Blending this into a very smooth puree. Please note that there should be no lumps in between. This liquid mixture is ready to be used now. We will again go back to our dry ingredients. We will be putting all the wet ingredients inside it, and with the help of cut and fold method, we will be mixing everything. Since the mixture is a bit lumpy, we are going to add some milk in this and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Again we are going to mix it. We have mixed everything together now. Now we are going to take a loaf tin. I have greased the loaf tin with the help of a butter paper and some oil in it, so that this loaf comes out easily. Now we will pour the batter into the loaf tin. Tap the loaf tin so that all the air bubbles disappear. If you don't have a cake tin like this, we can take a normal steel bowl and just grease it with oil and some butter paper and dust it from outside. Dust it with the refined flour or whole wheat flour outside so that your cake doesn't stick to it. We are going to tap this. Bake it in a preheated oven for around 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. I'm keeping both the tins inside, and now I'm starting with the baking. Let us check if the cake is ready. It smells very nice. So we are going to take a pick and we are going to put it inside just to check if the cake is cooked or not. Yes, it looks cooked because all the edges are clean. Now let it cool for some time and then we are going to unmold it. Transfer it onto a plate. Cut it into small slices. Our whole wheat banana loaf is ready. You can have it at tea time. It is very healthy recipe. Do try it at home and enjoy.